panganay ni Mama. Masasabi ko, of course, I love her very much. Siguro iba yung naging experience ko kay Mom compared sa kanilang dalawa kasi syempre may support na rin siya ni Daddy. Lumaki kami ni Mom together. So, marami din akong pinagdaanan with my mom. Masasabi ko lang sa kanya at the end of the day, when no one's there for her, and pinagdaanan namin ni Mama together kasi single mom siya. I let her know na no matter what, she's my one and only mom. And hindi ko iba over her. Kasi siguro may mga times na nararamdaman niya na mas close ako sa father ko or mas close ako sa lola ko. Ang wish ko lang na sobrang maging mas okay yung relationship namin. Ngayon na, yung siya na lang mother figure or mother ko talaga na nandito sa mundo. Yung panganay ni I would love to know.
Dear Mommy, did you receive my letter beside your bed? I hope you did. It's okay if you didn't because it's not important thing. Mom, someday, can you bring me to Spain?
Basic needs ko yan eh.
Thanks, Mom. Could you buy me lots of stickers? Because I'm collecting them. Thanks, too. Thanks also for the Fashion 21 aloe vera shampoo with conditioner, 500 ml. Can I also have the spray? Apple. Please don't forget to write me back, okay? You long hat. I like it when you write me a long letter. Always take care and may God bless you always. Mom, can we talk again? Please answer all my questions in her letter here in Dasma.
Aww. You're really the best mom. Make that friend. No, make that spirit. No, make that soul. No, make that the best everything in my life. Always, Christina kasi. Oh, naku ha. Sumisip-sip ka dahil dami mong hiningi sa nanay mo. May letters. Changes in our life as a family or as mother-daughter. Sana yung pagka-mother-daughter namin, sobrang maging mas close pa talaga.
She's a baby. She always will.
Do you know how scary it is to sing with Mom?
No.
It's really scary.
How scary?
Because she's
Mama.
really good.
Yummy.
Because she's
Mama.
really good.
She wrote a very special letter sa akin noong October, like this long. So, sabi ko sa kanya, di ba, hindi ako perfect na anak, di ba, pero ang dami-dami mong naturo sa akin. Maayos mo akong pinalaki at lahat ng mga tinuro mo sa akin, i-apply ko sa buhay ko at ituturo ko rin sa magiging apo mo. I got this, di ba, and kung ano man yan, di ba, lagi akong babawi sa'yo at hindi ako papayag na hindi ka maging proud sa akin. Life is short. Let's just love each other and, you know, forgive each other and be happy. I love you, Mom. And I will always cherish these gifts that you've given me, not because material.